Let's make some delicious vanilla cupcakes.
In a large bowl or stand mixer, add 125 grams of softened butter, followed by a cup of self-raising flour, half a cup of caster sugar, half a teaspoon of bicarb of soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and then mix this together slowly until combined, and then beat for about 30 seconds on medium-high. Don't forget to give the sides of the bowl a bit of a scrape down. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a cup of buttermilk, or normal full cream milk if you don't have buttermilk. Then mix this until combined on about medium-high for about 30 seconds.
Alright, so that's our delicious vanilla cupcake mixture complete. Now I'm going to fill this cupcake tray of 12 to about 2/3 of the way full. I'm just going to use 2 spoons, and then I'm going to bake these at 160 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes. I'll know they're ready when a toothpick comes out clean. Alright, so my cupcakes are now out of the oven. They've cooled down. They're looking, smelling delicious. Some of the tops of them were a bit messy. I think the tray actually wasn't quite flat, which was a bit of a shame, but anyway, they don't look amazing from the top, but it's okay because I'm going to make some delicious vanilla buttercream icing to put on top. Now, you need to make sure these are completely cool before icing them, otherwise the icing will just melt everywhere. So let's head over to the stand mixer again and get started.
For the vanilla buttercream, add 200 grams of very soft butter to a stand mixer bowl or a large bowl. Beat this on high for about 5 minutes until it's nice, light and fluffy. Then add half of 450 grams of icing sugar into the bowl and mix together slowly. You want to add the icing sugar in 2 halves, otherwise it just makes a bit of a mess. You want to beat this together on high until it's nicely combined, and don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl to add in any remaining butter. Add the rest in once it's been combined, and then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Optionally add up to 2 tablespoons of milk if the mixture is a little bit dry.
So I've finished making my nice delicious vanilla buttercream, and I'm just icing them with a star tip and covering up those ugly tops. And here we go, here are my delicious and simple vanilla cupcakes with a vanilla buttercream icing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see some more. Thank you.